to Minutes with Beansy. Today we're going to do a short little film about how to replace a brake light bulb in a 2011 to 2015 Jetta. Unless it's a GLI or a hybrid, they have LEDs. These ones have regular incandescent bulbs. There is a little cover that needs to be removed, and it's got an arrow on it showing how to put it back into place. And then there is a little wing nut that attaches. Unscrew that. Here's what that looks like. Kind of press behind, just kind of pop it out of place. The connector is pushing in on both of these tabs. Yeah, you want to squeeze these two tabs together. And then we get in here and we want to get the bulb socket holder off of there. So squeeze that one and this one, pop and wiggle. And there we go. And so this is a brake light and a tail light bulb. So, and it's just a quarter turn. Press in, turn, pull out, place with the new bulb, and then put it back into place. These two snap back into place, and then you're good to go to reinstall. Want to make sure you hear that audible click, and then take your wing nut, and then we can put our little access cover back into place. This is another little access cover that basically will just pop down, and then we'll get in here, and it's 11mm nuts that hold this assembly into place. So take both of those off, and now we can come back up here, kind of rock it out of place. Okay. And just pop that up like so, and this one as well right here. And there we go. Here's your reverse light bulb, and then your running light bulb or tail light. And slide this back into place, and then make sure it's all flush. Cover here, back into place, and that's after that. So yeah, that's brake light, tail light, reverse light, running light. Thank you once again for watching Minutes with Beansy. We'll have more for you next week.